Hello, this is the Rebellion who is back again. So today I'm going to show you as a manager how to create a quiz on Moodle. And this is the syllabus. It will be a short syllabus, and I have added also the logo for our course. So before proceeding, we have to give a short abstract for the short course, and for the quiz, I have defined the quiz using the Cambridge Dictionary, and we know that quizzes are very important in face-to-face and e-learning classes, and we have to provide a number of benefits for our learners and ourselves, the instructors. So for this course, the teachers who are my audience will have to use Moodle platform and have some activities to practice. And we have the aim of this course, which is to provide learners, the teachers, with knowledge and the skills on how to design a Moodle quiz or for an effective and engaging learning. And we have set the audience. The audience will be our teachers, our fellows, our colleagues, and the duration for the course, it can be 1 day workshop for face-to-face, for face-to-face, and it can be or even 30 minutes online session, for online session. And the objective of the course, by the end of this session, participants will be able to create a quiz on Moodle platform, add a quiz to the Moodle course, configure a quiz on Moodle platform, and we have some topic sections. The first one will be how to create a quiz on Moodle platform, how to add a quiz to the Moodle course, and how to configure a quiz on Moodle platform. And the platform we are using the Moodle. The platform we are using, is the Moodle for asynchronous interactions and discussions. And the technology we are going to use will be the Facebook and the Padlet and the Moodle on. And for this unit, it has some moderators, and I have chosen my group here. In this MOOC, we have Kapoor, we have Nezaket, we have Stefania, and we have Rosa Carvino. I thank you very much for watching this video, and see you very soon.